So you've already found articles by your author, and you've confirmed that it's the right author. Let me just show you also how to find the actual text of the article. So if we go back to the library's homepage and we go to Articles and Databases, and we have all of these cool things. We're going to select a subject. I'm going to use psychology. And remember, we've done an author search, and we've added one more search item, and we've asked them to search for empathy. So things by the author Hodges with empathy in the title. And remember, we're in the psychology subsection, and it's searching these 6 databases instead of the more general databases. And we have a fairly small set at this point, 44 down from 120. And we're pretty sure that these are all the people, these are all by the Sarah Hodges that we're interested in. So notice that there's this thing called FindText right here at this little button. It's also kind of everywhere else we can stick it. And this is where that's how we want you to try to get a copy of this article. So let's click on FindText. It opens up another tab. And it says that we have this article that was published in this publication. Remember, that's what we looked for here. And it's available from Sage Complete, and you can either click on this link or on this. And it pulls up another window, and here is that article from that bulletin. Here's one author and then some other authors, which might be helpful to you. There's also a link here for the PDF of the full text. We're going to click on this. Anything could happen at this point. It looks like it's opened up another window, and it gives us the PDF where you can print or download it. And here's that whole article. You might have to make it a little bit bigger to read. And here you go. Here is that article. Now, what would happen if you didn't get that? If we went back to our results, and instead of saying that we have it electronically, let's look at one here near the bottom. Oh, also here it's telling you that this is an article in a peer-reviewed journal. But here's a book chapter. Here's a dissertation, so those aren't necessarily peer-reviewed journal articles. Here's an article, also maybe not necessarily a peer-reviewed journal, but still valuable nonetheless. Let's take a look to see if we have this. We'll click on FindText, and it's connecting. And it looks like we have it in lots of different places. We also own the journal, and it's going to try to show you where we own it. Go back here. How about this one that's a book chapter? Do we have access to that? It says no electronic full text is available for the item. We may own it, and you can check the U of O library catalog, and that's always a good idea. There's also this thing called interlibrary loan or document delivery, and if you request this item, it asks you to fill out your username and ID, and then it will ask for, through interlibrary loan, it will ask for a copy of that item through interlibrary loan, so from another library, and it will email it to you, and it's pretty wonderful. Okay.